Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys split screen setting in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to disable guys your screen split, so guys how can you disable it? In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my videos. So friends, you can see guys in your phone guys you have guys this two screen setting, and guys you want to disable the setting, so guys how can you disable it? In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to disable this setting, then guys scroll it, and guys you can see your phone special feature setting. Friends, tap here and guys click on split screen setting, and guys you can see your split screen right side this icon guys you can see. So you can, so we will click here to disable, then guys it will disable, then guys you cannot use guys your two screens. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable split screen setting in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.